What's this, you ask? Oh, just, you know, just the rich boy, the rich kid lifestyle. Yeah. I guess you could say I'm, you know, I'm rich, you know, just rich. The rich boy, just savage 100%. Put me on evo.com. Yeah. $100 bills. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon. Got some L Jeep parts. Yeah. But yeah, guys, if you're wondering how I got all that swag money, it's because I just got my YouTube paycheck. Yeah, I get that every month. It's about $6,000. I'm kidding. I don't make a dime on YouTube because my entire channel is demonetized. So yeah, this is the money. As you can see, it's gone. It's fucking gone. I basically just replaced a giant machine with a bunch of metal and some tires with rubber on it, like a big contraption machine that runs and rides, with this. Some freaking paper. I just got paper for a full-size metal motorbike. What the hell? Paper? Why, society? Why is it like this? Shit. But anyways, guys, yeah, the old Chevrolet, I mean, she's got an exhaust leak now. Kind of had it before, but not really. So cold starts just sound like absolute shit. Do you fucking hear that? Listen to that garbage. It sounds so sped. So yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, just head on off. And yeah, I'll probably do something about this exhaust leak at some point, because it makes me want to kill myself, like every time I hear it, you know? Like it literally makes me like suicidal. So yeah, I might have to take some like depression classes or something, you know, that like depressed people take, so they won't be depressed anymore. Except I'm gonna take it so I'm not suicidal because of the exhaust leak. Yeah, so I mean, service the airbag. Don't you hate when you drive all the way down the road and then you think you don't have your wallet, so you drive all the way back to your house to go look for your wallet for 10 minutes inside of your room, and then you come back out to your truck and then you realize the wallet was just in the truck the whole time, just like chilling. It was inside the hat, but I mean, just wasted so much time. And yeah, I thought I saw a cop, and turns out it's just some faggot who drives a car that looks exactly like a cop car, but he's just not a cop car, and it's just not a cop at all, but he just likes to go out and buy cars that look exactly like cop cars because yeah, he wants to have some sort of cool sense of authority or something. And I'm probably gonna get pulled over because I'm filming like this, just like sticking my phone out the window like, hey cops, look at me, I'm on my phone while driving, pull me over. Oh shit, just ran a yellow light, but I think it's fine. Wow, look at that nice Toyota. That Toyota followed me. He followed me. So it's getting dark. Picked up the old bike. But, you know, I'm kind of pissed because I'm not going to be able to ride today because it's already almost dark. And, yeah, so I'm triggered. I'm sure you guys are triggered because you're not going to be able to see it run or ride or anything like that. So, shit. Or I could just, like, not edit and upload this video until I go riding and then get more footage. But, no, I'm gonna snake you guys. You're gonna have to wait till the next video, you know what I'm saying?